Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. And as always, I'm going to check the sound now. If you're watching the sound seems to be good. Good morning, John. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Leslie. Leslie, I sent you a direct message on Messenger. Can you please check when you have a chance? Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Leslie. No rush at all. Anyway, it is time for us to start. And in the past few weeks of our Real Love series, we have been focusing on cultivating real love towards ourselves. In the next few weeks, we will explore how we can touch this and cultivate this real love with our partners, children, parents, siblings, friends, colleagues, well, in other words, with the whole world. Whatever language we use to describe healthy relationships, when we are in them, we just know it. We feel nourished by them, in body as well as in mind. In fact, scientists have begun to document the far-reaching physical implications of this sort of connectedness, which range from relieving pain to enhancing the function of our nervous system. Barbara Fredrickson talks about something she calls micro moments of connection. It's when you share a genuine positive feeling with another living being. It could be laughing with a friend or hugging your neighbor with compassion, petting your cat or dog, smiling at the baby, and it doesn't even need to be your baby. It could be the baby on the plane. Fredrickson shared that science suggests these micro moments of connectedness, of connection, may be much more powerful than we think. Research found that when one person's smiles, gestures, and postures begin to be mirrored by the other person, the synchronization was more than skin deep. When you're really connecting with somebody else, your heart rhythms come into sync. Your biochemistries come into sync. Even your neural firings come into sync. What's more, the biological resonance of good feeling and goodwill has lasting effects, so it's not just in those moments. Increasing the quantity of micro moments of connection supports the function of the vagus nerve, this long cranial nerve that wends its way from the brain to the abdomen, enhancing the body's ability to slow a racing heart and regulate inflammation and glucose levels and so much more. And interestingly, it's not just about your health, because when you're really connecting with someone else, your heart is getting a mini tune-up and so is theirs. How interesting. So the more you connect, the more you fortify this wiring to connect. And the more you lower your odds and somebody else's odds with whom you connect of having a heart attack, and increase your odds of living a long, happy, and healthy life. And the same for the other person with whom you connect, even if you don't know them. How cool is that? Fredrickson says, these micro moments of connection are part of a magic that keeps our bonds strong and our hearts healthy. So stop waiting for the Cupid's arrow or the lightning bolt to choose you. You choose love. You choose to connect with the people in your midst. So today, let's remind ourselves of the powerful micro moments of connection we have every day in our Mindful Morning community, our Sangha of like-minded people. Even if we're not in the same place, we create those micro moments of connection between each other, amongst all of us. So let's do a loving kindness circle practice today. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, allowing your breath to be as it is, not trying to change anything about it, just noticing how it flows. Allowing some spaciousness in your breath so that all the experiences of the present moment can just flow through you as energy, without struggle. And now begin your practice with a gentle reflection on the basic goodness within you and your wish, your genuine wish to be happy. Scan your body and notice how this reflection affects your physical state, your breath. Soften from the inside out. Repeat after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, protected. May I know deep, natural peace. And now imagine that you're sitting in the center of a circle, surrounded by all the members of our Mindful Morning Sangha, our community. Whether they are here with us live right now or will listen to the recording later, does not matter. We will now send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners. And as you repeat the verse after me, also allow yourself to receive their kindness and good wishes sent to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. It's your birthright. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, protected. May you know deep, natural peace. With each phrase, you are offering each other a gift, and you are receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, protected. May you know deep, natural peace. If your attention wanders away from the circle, away from this practice, or if difficult feelings or memories arise, try to let go of them in the spirit of kindness and just come back here, no judgment, again and again, as many times as you need. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, protected. May you know deep, natural peace. At times you may feel unworthy of receiving all this love pouring at you. Don't worry. We all have thoughts and feelings of unworthiness sometimes. It's what being human is about. You can even gently say to yourself, "How human of me." And breathing gently, accept that these feelings have come up. Remember the beauty of your wish to be happy. and simply come back here again. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, protected. May you know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of this practice. Scan your body again. Notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue reflecting on this fascinating research by Barbara Fredrickson and create these micro moments of connection wherever you go, with people you know and people you don't know, effectively enhancing your own health and the health of others whose life you touch with a smile or a gentle hug or even a silent wish of loving kindness. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.